Hello, welcome back to my Gacha Life channel. This is Gashaman. We are at North Carolina at Animazement Anime Convention. This is about 5 hour drive from my house. As you guys see, I already set up my booth. I'm really close to the loading dot, so this time when I unloading those machines, it took about I think 2 hours to set up. I think this is not bad. Let me show you guys what do I have this time. I have rubber band machine gun. I have BTS. I have Jujutsu, B, and of course Demon Stairs, some Sanrio stuff, Snoopy, Attack on Titan, Shaman King, cute stuff, Hello Kitty, or Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer again. Some puppy, some cute stuff, and hamster. Pokemon, Gundam, Japanese sword. Some cute stuff again, Demon Slayer, Pokemon, and there's a gymnastics cat, some one coin stuff, and JoJo, more Demon Slayer. There's a Minecraft there, and Conan. What's your guys' opinions? My Gachapon is good or bad? Please leave a comment below. No, please. Okay, now let you guys go around and see what's the other vendors they have. There's awesome Korean, bim bim bang stuff. I gonna buy these, I think, every single day. Smells really good. Okay, let's go. Selling the backpack. This is my booth. The best of the best. This is the best one. Selling some teachers. There's a small Gashapon machine there too. I think pretty much everybody's set up already. But still there's some vendor they haven't come. Because I think this time is a little bit special. We have a lot of, the anime con going on at the same time. So there's a lot of vendors they haven't showed up in this convention. But I don't know how it works though. They might losing a lot of money, but maybe they refund it. I'm not sure because I always, when I sign up something, I always shows up. Usually when you go to a convention, there's a lot of people in here, so you cannot see the item really clearly. So, I think this is the best chance that I walk around, then you can see everything. Some, measuring boxes. It's kind of like my Gachapon, right? Some t-shirts. Some necklace stuff. Plushies. Mouth. Basically, it's all anime stuff because this is anime convention, right? Oh, there's an empty spot. This time I have two booths actually. I extend because I need more space and I put all my machine here this time. Okay, the upstairs, that's the entrance. So actually my spot is not that good because you know the people they come from this aisle, you know, or this aisle. They might just, you know, turn around and goes out. But I'm not sure because this is not like a big con, you know, big convention. So probably the people they're gonna walk around. But again, they might spend all their money at the beginning, so they don't have any money left.
Good morning, dealers. We have less than 3 minutes before we will be opening.
Hey, I think the show is gonna be start. Let's go back. Hey guys, today is Sunday. I have to collecting my token today because you know we sell a lot of gachapon toys, and then if I don't collect it, then I don't have any token can sell to the customer. Show you those gachapon is already sold out from 2 days. Check it out. See the Hello Kitty, of course, popular. Demon Slayer, Lantern, Gundam. To sell out 2 sets of Lantern. Can you believe it? And the Toast Bird, One Piece stuff, Machine Gun, and more Demon Slayer stuff. You know, Demon Slayer is always really popular, so you all sell out. Of course, Pokemon. Yep, let's collect the money. Let's go. Okay, first one is magnets, refrigerator magnets. That's not bad, right? Conan. Actually, Conan is not really popular at the convention. I think it's just okay. One X-Lotto, this is really popular. Look, let's check it out. Boo. To be honest, this is my best convention ever. I think the reason is a lot of big vendors they are go to the big convention, not on this one. So their money goes to my money. Yay! You know, doing business sometimes is good, sometimes bad. You not always win, right? Pretty good too. I think every machine sell a lot of tokens. Yes. Even the wild animal keychain can sell too. Let's check this Minecraft. It should be good, right? Okay, not bad. Pokemon. I think this one gonna be huge. Look at the sound. Hey, haha. Excellent. I don't know how to say this character in English though, but that's really popular in Asia. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. If you guys know what's the character of that, Gashapon, please leave a comment below. Please let me know. I really wanna know what's in English though. Okay, of course demons, they always win. This JoJo. Check it out. Wow. That's a lot too. Yes. 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 I really wish every, convention can do like this. And I gonna be drive Tesla one day. No, I'm joking. Because, when you see this, it looks like I make a lot of money. But, the cost spent in booth, price, gas, and the car rental is so expensive. Especially, hotel is a lot too. So it looks like I make a lot, but compared to the big vendors, I think I'm just doing okay. One token stuff actually is really surprising me this time. I thought nobody gonna, buying the one token toys, but it looked as okay. One actually, I don't know how it goes too. It's like, to me, it's like a really cute penguins. It's not popular. What's wrong? Know the answer, please let me know. Leave a comment, please. Well, that's not bad. Relax. Gymnastics kitty cat. This is so cute. Really, really cute. And it is. Not bad, not bad. That's good. Oh. The coin's getting heavy now. Once there, that means to make more money. Not like that good actually. That's not bad. Not bad. Okay, this one actually is Gundam. Well, see? It's sold out. So I get a lot of token. Yes. Okay, next one, Pokemon. Red 2 is a lot. Woohoo! Excellent. One Japanese sword. Cinnamon. OMG. Demon Slayer keychain with the dingly head. That's good too. Okay, puppy. What's that sounds coming? A fire alarm. Should I leave? What should I do? Oh my gosh. And nobody gets out. That's weird. Keep collecting our token. Hello Kitty. Damn it. I think I have to leave the building. I see people there leaving now actually. Lies, you know. Oh yeah, we have to leave now. So let me collect this last one. The hamster. Oh. Okay, let's get out, let's get out.
Record.
And I don't know what's going on though. I just hope before the show start, you know, the alarm we can go back to our dealer's room again. Sounds is really scary though. The light is shining. But you know, at least the good thing, if the show is acting, and if the fire alarm goes on like this, then everybody have to get out. Then that means I have no more sales. Dang. Okay, we are back to the vendor's room again. Let's keep going. Get out. Bed. Kitty in the ball. Oops. My bad. Cute hamster. Oh yes, not bad. Sometime. Every machine is doing pretty good job. Hey. Okay, I guess I have to change it later. So it must be something sell out and I was put it yesterday and I wasn't realized that. Stuff. Okay, I think this time I'm not gonna show you guys what do I make. I mean, what's my profit this time? I'll let you guys guess. Okay, so if you have a number, please leave a comment below. If you guess close enough to my profit, and then I'll let you guys know. Okay, so please. I try to grow up my channel, so if you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, and share it, okay? Okay, next one, Demon Slayer. It's guaranteed sale. B. That was okay. Sanrio, this one is good, I think. Oh yes. Sweet. Okay, next one, Shaman King. I don't know why nobody likes Shaman Kings. See, it's not a lot, just only a few. I don't know why. It should be really popular, right? You guys know what's the reason Shaman King is not popular? Okay, next one. Guarantee sale. Demon Slayer again. Take it easy. Yes. Next one. BTS. Excellent. Jujutsu. That's good too. Okay, that's the last 3 machines left. Okay, not bad. Miffy. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. One CO, QCO. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I have more token we can sell for today. It's go home time. This time the booth cost I'm not gonna tell you guys, so you guys going to guess, okay? So if you guess close enough, then I'll let you guys know. And I spent for 4 days in North Carolina. The hotel room cost is 486, and the gas is 230. Then the sales, you guys going to guess again. If you are guessing really close enough the number, and I'll let you guys know, okay? I'll leave the information down the description there. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, okay? Thank you guys watching. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye.